I hear there's some people out there in this country that don't like other people to the extent that they want to kill them. Yeah, I know you people. See you every day. Talk to you on the internet all the time. You really hate other people, don't you? I see it in your eyes, see it in your fingertips, what you type in the words. You really despise other people. They crowd you out, don't they? Well, this country's going through a little readjustment right now. They're trying to. Some people are trying to do the right thing, other people are preventing it for a number of reasons. I think they're just damn stupid. It's this national health care issue. What's wrong with me as the boss of another, those in Congress, getting equal or even better health care packages than that Congress, my employee? Did you think about it that way? Your employee is getting a better health care package than you, the employer, the people, the citizens of this country. All in the name of the private parasites insurance companies is what this fight against national health care is all about. There should be a one-payer plan. It's the only logical way to go. A lot of complaints are going to be, or have been, you can't lump all this expense on the small businessman. And I agree 100%. You can't keep lumping these expenses on small business people, even large businesses. You know, those too big to fail, you see, they can fail, huh? You let the parasites get away with it, but back to this insurance bullshit. These small business people right now are paying up the yin-yang in taxes, like workman's compensation tax, just to name one. You know, if they have a fleet of cars, they got that auto insurance tax, insurance bill tax. And the majority of that is to supposedly cover medical costs. If you had a one-payer health insurance plan, you can slice that auto insurance probably by 90%, 95, 98%, because the majority of the insurance for your automobiles goes to medical costs. It doesn't go to fix your vehicle. You gotta be stupid to think they do that. They always lowball you and say it's totaled, even though you got a scratch on the panel. And total the car. Sell it for junk later. Make a big profit in that angle. Anyhow, your auto insurance rates will be sliced above 90% if we had a one-payer health plan across this nation, because the auto insurance company could not claim that medical cost portion. Could they? What about workman's comp? Slice that right off your damn sheets. You don't have to pay that anymore. Workman's comp. How much do you pay a small businessman per employee? Just hack it right out and put it back in your pocket with the one-payer health plan. There's so many other angles the way they used to nickel and dime you for health insurance. The one-payer plan cut them all out of the picture. No more. Your house insurance, how much is that for medical? Just in case some drunk comes over and trips on your curb. You know, stupid little things like that. They nickel and dime you. All this medical insurance hacked right off the top with a one-payer system. You never think about that, do you? I know you never did. You're mostly Americans. You don't think, you're told. Well, I'm telling you, one-payer plan is the way you should be going. I know you're afraid of death boards. You don't want to see Grandma go into that meeting and they want to tell her to go kill herself. Or maybe help her kill herself. You have that today, people. People are being denied left and right with these death boards of insurance companies, and there's no regulations over them at all. Nothing. Don't you think it'd be wiser to make a simple law with a one-payer plan? The person wants to live, you treat him or her. That simple. Any ailment, covered, treated, taken care of. Doctors and nurses don't have to fill out all this nonsense paperwork for who knows which plan that just popped up. Always changing little details within it, getting confused. They're trained to take care of sick and dying people. Let them do their jobs. Stop all this damn paperwork they have to do just to get paid. All this insurance cost that the insurance companies keep in pay and salary, rent for their big buildings, construction of their big buildings. If you live in a city, go outside right now, look across your skyline. Which buildings are not insurance company owned or bank owned? Can you point to one? The fact is, worldwide, insurance is the most profitable business out there, maybe next to banks, for a reason. They keep your money instead of giving you medical care. Talk about eliminating the middleman and having all that cost going into actual care. Think about it. You've been lied to by parasites that have their paycheck coming in from you. They do nothing but deny you care right now. Those death boards have been in existence since Nixon planned and plotted the HMOs. For profits. Plotting for profits, and you still don't get your care. One-payer plan. It's the only way to go. Unless you work in the parasite business and you have to actually get a job, a real job. Try nursing.